Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
An open floor plan kitchen is a popular design concept that combines the kitchen, dining area, and living space into one seamless and cohesive layout. This design not only creates a sense of spaciousness and flow but also fosters connectivity and interaction among family members and guests. Here are some key elements and benefits of an open floor plan kitchen. Spatial integration. In an open floor plan kitchen, walls are removed or minimized to create a unified space that encompasses the kitchen, dining area, and living room. This integration of spaces eliminates barriers and allows for better circulation and sightlines, making the area feel larger and more connected. Enhanced social interaction. With the kitchen being at the heart of the home, an open floor plan encourages social interaction and engagement. Whether you're cooking, dining, or relaxing, you can easily interact with family members or guests in the adjoining living spaces, promoting a sense of togetherness and camaraderie. Natural light and views. By eliminating walls and partitions, an open floor plan kitchen maximizes natural light and views throughout the space. Large windows and doors can flood the area with sunlight, creating a bright and airy ambience. Additionally, occupants can enjoy uninterrupted views of the surrounding landscape or outdoor areas, blurring the distinction between indoor and outdoor living. Flexibility and versatility. The openness of the floor plan allows for greater flexibility and versatility in how the space is utilized. You can easily adapt the layout to accommodate different activities, such as hosting gatherings, entertaining guests, or relaxing with family. Modular furniture, movable partitions, and multifunctional elements can further enhance the adaptability of the space. Efficient workflow. In an open floor plan kitchen, the layout is designed to optimize workflow and functionality. The kitchen work triangle, comprising the sink, stove, and refrigerator, is efficiently arranged to minimize steps and maximize efficiency during food preparation. Additionally, ample counter space, storage solutions, and ergonomic design elements contribute to a smooth and streamlined cooking experience. Entertaining opportunities. An open floor plan kitchen is ideal for entertaining and hosting gatherings, as it allows hosts to seamlessly interact with guests while preparing meals or drinks. The integrated layout creates a more inclusive and sociable atmosphere, enabling everyone to participate in the festivities without feeling isolated or confined to a separate room. Modern aesthetic. From a design perspective, open floor plan kitchens exude a contemporary and modern aesthetic that is both stylish and functional. Clean lines, minimalistic finishes, and cohesive color palettes contribute to a cohesive and harmonious look that complements various architectural styles and interior design preferences. Overall, an open floor plan kitchen offers numerous benefits, ranging from enhanced spatial integration and social interaction to flexibility and efficiency. Whether you're renovating an existing home or designing a new one, incorporating an open floor plan kitchen can transform the way you live, entertain, and interact with your surroundings.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!